Contact forms are an essential part of any website. A well-designed contact form makes it easy to collect information from your visitors, survey responses, customer inquiries, orders, or much more. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional contact form using WPForms in just a few minutes without any coding. Let's begin. To install WPForms, head to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New, then search bar, type WPForms. Once you see it, click Install Now. Wait a few seconds and then activate the plugin. Now that WPForms is installed, it's time to create your first form. After activation, you may see a prompt on your dashboard to create a form, or you can access it from the sidebar by clicking WPForms and then Add New. This will open the WPForms builder. WPForms offer a variety of templates to get you started. The free version includes a few basic templates, while the pro version unlocks many more advanced options. Templates can save a lot of time, even help you ask better questions, but for this demo, we will stick with the free version. Start by naming your form. We will simply call it contact form. Then select blank form, so you can see exactly how everything works from scratch. Once the blank form loads, you will see a list of full available form fields on the left. Adding fields is incredibly easy. Just click on the field you want and it will instantly appear in your form. Let's add a name field, an email field, a paragraph field. If you want to rearrange the fields, just click and drag them into the order you prefer. You can do like this. To customize a field, click on it. Then this opens the field setting on the left, where you can change the label, adjust the format, make the field required, or a description. We will give this large. Then we will rearrange the email into the second one. We will change it also. We will rename this paragraph text to "How can we assist you?" You can add more fields if you want. Now under the advanced tab, you can add placeholder text to guide users as they fill out the form. For example, you might add first name, middle name, last name as placeholder text for the name field. Once your fields are set up, head over to the settings tab. From here, go to the notification and you can change here the default email to your email address. Click save in the top right corner. To add it, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on add page, rename this page to contact us. Click on the plus icon. Here you have to search WPForms. You have to select your save form. You have to click publish button, then click on view page. And just like that, your contact form is live on your WordPress website. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.